Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something huge. We're talking about how you can earn $90 a day. That's right, 90 bucks just by making short videos. No, seriously, I'm not kidding. This isn't some crazy dream. It's totally possible, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this bread. First things first, you've got to figure out what your channel is all about. What gets you hyped? What makes you jump out of bed in the morning, eager to start your day? What are you passionate about? Is it something you can talk about for hours without getting bored? Could be anything. Gaming, makeup tutorials, life hacks, you name it. The possibilities are endless, and that's the beauty of it. But here's the secret sauce. Find a niche. A niche is like your own little corner of the internet where you can shine. Something specific that not everyone and their grandma is already doing. It's about finding that unique angle that sets you apart from the crowd. Think about it, a channel about food is cool and all, but vegan food hacks for college students on a budget. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's about narrowing down your focus to something that resonates deeply with a specific audience. The more specific you are, the easier it is to find your tribe, those loyal viewers who are hungry for your content. These are the people who will keep coming back for more, who will share your videos and who will become your biggest advocates. Remember, we're not trying to boil the ocean here. We're laser focused on that perfect niche. It's about quality over quantity, depth over breadth. Once you've found it, it's time to become the king or queen of that domain. Own it, live it, breathe it. We're talking about becoming the go-to expert, the one everyone turns to when they need advice or entertainment in that niche. This means consistently delivering high-quality content that adds value to your audience's lives. Trust me, finding your niche is like striking gold. It sets the stage for everything else. It's the foundation upon which you can build a successful and sustainable channel. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Your future self will thank you. Okay, so you've got your niche. Now it's time to pump out some killer content. And when I say killer, I mean high quality, attention-grabbing stuff. Remember, even if your videos are short, they need to be good. We're talking crisp video, good lighting, and editing that flows. Think about it. Would you watch a video that's blurry, has terrible sound, and is just all over the place? Probably not. You've got to hook people from the first few seconds. Use catchy music, eye-catching visuals, and get straight to the point. No one wants to sit through a 5-minute intro, get to the good stuff fast. And don't be afraid to experiment with different video styles. Try out some skits, animations, or even just talking directly to the camera. The key is to find what works for you and your audience. Remember, quality over quantity, always. All right, you've got your niche, you're creating awesome content, but here's the catch. You've got to be consistent. Think of it like a workout routine. You can't just hit the gym once a month and expect to see results. The same goes for YouTube. You've got to show up regularly, put in the work, and deliver that fresh content. Create a schedule and stick to it like glue, whether it's 1 video a week, 2 videos a week, or even daily uploads. Find a pace you can handle and make it your religion. Your viewers will start to anticipate your videos, and that's how you build a loyal fan base. Consistency builds trust and keeps people coming back for more. It's like your favorite TV show. You know when a new episode drops and you're there ready to watch. So be that reliable content creator, that consistent force in the YouTube universe. Chapter 4. Building your crew, engaging with your audience. Listen up, because this is huge. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos and calling it a day, it's about building a community. Think of your viewers as your crew, your squad. These are the people who are taking the time to watch your content, so show them some love. Respond to comments, even the weird ones. Answer questions, give shout-outs, and just engage with your audience. Make them feel heard, make them feel like they're part of something special. Host Q&A sessions, do polls, ask for video ideas. The more you interact with your viewers, the more invested they become in your channel. Remember, it's a two-way street. You give them awesome content, they give you their time and support. Chapter 5 on the numbers game, analyzing and adapting your strategy. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty analytics. This is where the magic happens, where you can turn raw data into actionable insights. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me, this stuff is gold. It's like having a treasure map that shows you exactly where to dig. YouTube gives you all these tools to see what's working and what's not. It's like having a backstage pass to your own performance. Pay attention to which videos are getting the most views. This is your audience telling you what they love. Look at which ones have the highest watch time. This means people are not just clicking, but staying engaged. Don't ignore the ones that are flopping harder than a pancake. These are just as important because they tell you what to avoid. This data tells you what your audience loves, what keeps them coming back for more. It shows you what they're craving more of, what excites them, and what makes them hit that subscribe button. And equally, it shows you what you should probably stop making. Not every idea will be a hit, and that's okay. Don't be afraid to adjust your strategy based on this information. Flexibility is key in this ever-changing landscape. If people are loving your cooking tutorials, guess what? Make more cooking tutorials. Double down on what works. If your vlogs are getting crickets, maybe it's time to rethink your approach. Experiment with different formats or topics, maybe switch it up and try something new. Innovation often comes from stepping out of your comfort zone. The key is to be flexible, to adapt, and to always strive to give your audience what they want. It's a dynamic process, and remember, the more you understand your analytics, the better equipped you are to create content that resonates. Dive deep into the numbers. Look at trends over time, not just isolated data points. This will give you a clearer picture. The better you understand your audience's behavior, the more successful you'll be in creating content that truly connects. So keep analyzing, keep adapting, and keep growing. See Chapter 6, Show Me the Money, Monetization Methods. All right, we've arrived at the good stuff, making that sweet, sweet cash. This is the moment every content creator dreams of, turning passion into profit. Because let's be real, who doesn't want to get paid for doing what they love? Imagine waking up every day, excited to create, knowing that your hard work is not just appreciated, but also rewarded. Once you've built a decent following and you're consistently putting out quality content, it's time to monetize your channel. This is where strategy comes into play. You need to understand your audience and what they value. And there are a ton of ways to do it. From traditional methods to more innovative approaches, the possibilities are endless. First up, we've got ads. These are the bread and butter for many creators. You know those little commercials that play before or during videos? They might seem annoying, but they can actually be quite lucrative. Yeah, those can actually make you money. Then there are sponsorships. This is where brands pay you to promote their products or services. Brands love to partner with creators who have a dedicated audience. They see it as a direct line to potential customers. You can also sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or even online courses. This not only generates income, but also strengthens your brand. And don't forget about affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products you love and earning a commission on every sale. Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale. It's a win-win situation for both you and the brand. The more monetization methods you have, the more stable your income will be. Diversifying your revenue streams is key to long-term success. So get creative, explore your options, and watch the dollars start rolling in. Remember, the sky's the limit. With dedication and smart strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. Another great way to monetize is through live streaming. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube allow fans to donate money during live sessions. Consider setting up a Patreon page where your most dedicated fans can support you in exchange for exclusive content. Collaborations with other influencers can also open up new revenue opportunities. Cross-promotion can help you reach new audiences and increase your earning potential. Always keep an eye on your analytics. Understanding what works and what doesn't will help you refine your strategies and maximize your income. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. The journey to monetization is ongoing, but with persistence, the rewards are well worth it. And don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. After all, the ultimate goal is to create a life where you can do what you love and live comfortably. Lastly, always remember to thank your audience. Without their support, none of this would be possible. Show gratitude and keep them engaged. So, there you have it, a roadmap to monetizing your content. Now go out there and make it happen. Outro. Now go make bank. That's it for today's video. I hope this has inspired you to get out there and start creating awesome short videos. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about following your passion, connecting with others, and having fun along the way. But hey, making $90 a day isn't too shabby either, right? So go out there, crush it, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.